ZestHRM, your ultimate HR management solution. In this video, we will guide you through the basic of using ZestHRM. You will learn how to log in and add company information, onboard employees, and manage attendance and payroll. Let's get started. First, let's go in the ZestHRM. Open your web browser and go to the zesthrm.com. You will see the login screen. Enter your username and password, then click the login button. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forget Password and follow the instruction to reset it. Once logged in, you will land on the dashboard to add your company information. Go to the setting menu and select organization setting. So here you have to mention all the information related to your companies like your company name, address, contact details, any other required information. Make sure to save your changes. So the next tab you can see that is the working hours. So in the working hours, specify the working days and hours according to your company policy. Now the next one is holidays. So in the holiday tab, list all the holidays for the year in a customizable format. Now the next one is location. So under this location, add your company locations. And if you want to on your geofencing of your company's employees, you can go to the geofencing tab and you can on that button according to the location you are mentioning here. Now the next one is organization tree. So next is the organization tree. Here you can see all the information related to the senior, and here you can see the structure of your organization. Now the next one is subscription. So manage your subscription in the subscription tab. Now the next one is the additional setting. So in additional setting, you can customize leave like such as sick leave, casual leave, any another leave, unpaid leave, or any another type of according to your company policies. Accurate company information help in generating prices reports and maintaining your smooth HR operation. Now let's move to the next one, that is the employee. So in this employee section, let's onboard new employees. Go to the employee section and click on add new. So here you have to put all the information which is required here, like full name, email address, contact number, employee code, roles, manager, designation, joining date, location, employment type, and if you want to on your geofencing of that particular employee, you can on it. And if you want to off it, then that button is also available to off it. And you have to submit all the details. So when you will submit all the details, that details will become in this list form. Now you can go to the any particular person and details will be listed in a form. After entering all necessary information, click Save to add the employee to your database. We can also upload documents like ID proof, certificate, and under the Documents tab. So here are different types of tabs are available in any particular employee. So here you can see all the information which you have filled in the previous tab. So here all the information will be shown here, and here you can see the personal details. So when you will click over here, you can fill all the personal related related to the employees. And if you will click over the previous employment, so all the previous information, previous employment information you can mention here. And if we will go to the educational details, so when you will click over here, so you can mention all the information related to your education. And if you will go to the payroll tab, so you can mention related to your salary information, like whatever the salary you will offer. So gross salary you can mention here, and you can select the template. According to template, just his salary will be calculated. And here you can see the leaves. So whatever leave you will assign to any particular person, you can assign from here. Or if you want to assign them a default template, then that is also available. Now you can go to the documents. So all the documents related to the personal information, employment or education or any verification documents you want to upload, you can come here and click over here and you can save it. Now the next one is feedback. So feedback is very essential. So if you want to give any feedback of any employee, then you can go to the add feedback. You can add the feedback of that particular employee. And if you want to request for feedback of any particular employee, then you can go to the request feedback. Now, the next one is salary revision. So, if any person has raised their salary, in that condition, you can mention all the details related to the revision of salary. Now, assets management. So, like there is information related to the laptop, mouse, keyboard, headphone, or any another information related to the company asset which you are giving to your employee for a official use. You can mention all the details, and you can also upload the picture of that particular assets, and you can manage the data here. Now in the work logs, so here you can manage all the logs of all the check-in and check-out of the employee in this section. If we will come to the setting tab, so here you can see the generate password and archive employees. So here, whenever you once you archived any employee, it will no longer be available log into system. So in that condition, if you want to exit any employee from your software, you can come here and you can click over the archive employee, and this employee will be exit from your employee active employee list. And if anyone if forget their password, then you can come here and you can click over the regenerate password, and after that that employee will be receive a mail, and according to that they can change their password. Now let's move to the attendance. So managing attendance in ZestHRM is straightforward. Go to the attendance section. Here you can view, edit, and approve attendance record. So to mark your attendance manually, select an employee and click here in a mark attendance. Choose the date and status here and save it. And if we talk about the next one, so just this return also integrate with punching machine and support geofencing, ensuring accurate and automatic attendance tracking. Now let's move to on the payroll management. And one more thing, you can upload bulk file, Excel file of your attendance. If you're managing attendance manually in an Excel form, then you can also upload from here. Now we can move to the payroll. So in the payroll section, you can generate payslip, manage salaries, and ensure timely payments. To create a new payroll, click over on Generate Payroll and select the pay period and employee, then enter any additional allowances or deduction. So according to the attendance, this salary will be calculated. And if you want to see the salary slip, you can click over the view and the salary slip will be generated. So when everything is set, click generate to create the salary slip, and you can then review and finalize them before the disbursement. So that's it for our quick tour of ZestHRM. You have learned how to log in and add company information, onboard employees, and manage attendance and payroll. Explore other features and make the most out of ZestHRM to streamline your HR processes. Thank you.